Unlock the power of adverbs of manner. Asking and negating. Hello, English learners. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll dive into an exciting area of English grammar, adverbs of manner. More specifically, we'll look at how we use them in questions and negations. Get ready to unlock the power of your English language skills. First, let's briefly revisit what adverbs of manner are. These are words that describe how something is done or happens. Examples include quickly, slowly, happily, sadly, and many more. Now, in most cases, these adverbs are placed directly after the verb they modify. For example, she reads quickly. Here, quickly is the adverb of manner, modifying the verb reads. But how do these adverbs work in questions? Good question. Let's look at an example. Does she run quickly? Here, just like in statements, the adverb of manner is placed right after the verb it's modifying. Remember this rule. When asking questions, put the adverb of manner directly after the verb. Time for a quick exercise. Try to form questions using the adverbs of manner in brackets. 1. Slowly. 2. Loudly. 3. Carefully. 4. Silently. Possible answers could be 1. Does he drive slowly? 2. Do they talk loudly? 3. Is she cutting it carefully? 4. Are you walking silently? Now, let's look at negations. Adverbs of manner still follow the verb they modify. For example, in the sentence, he doesn't speak quietly, quietly modifies speak. Notice how the adverb of manner, quietly, comes right after the verb speak, even in a negative sentence. Let's practice. Try to form negative sentences using the adverbs of manner in brackets. 1. Angrily. 2. Happily. 3. Roughly. 4. Easily. Possible answers could be 1. She doesn't respond angrily. 2. They don't live happily. 3. He doesn't treat it roughly. 4. We don't learn easily. And that wraps up our lesson on using adverbs of manner in questions and negations. Remember to practice these rules as you navigate your English language journey. And as always, keep asking, keep negating, and keep improving. Hope this video was helpful, and we look forward to seeing you in our next lesson. Happy learning!